So this is a little video on the garden metal bird bath with trellis stake for outdoor plants, but you could use it on your indoor plants too. And it's about 40 inches tall by about 7.5. And it was $28.99, which was a little spendy, and I did hesitate, but it was for an area where I just saw it and knew it'd be a fit. And here it is installed. It's very cute. It has a hummingbird or butterfly choice on the bottom. You can't really see that with the shadow right now, but I'll show you a better picture. And then it has the two little birds at the top, and then water if you want to feed your hummingbirds or even other little birds. And so just super cute. And it came really well packed. So this is how it came in the box. Bring you this out, making you dizzy. And there's a good picture of the hummingbirds. They're just adorable. And it came in 4 pieces. And what's nice is you don't even need a screwdriver. It's just thumb screws to tighten on the back. And it just made it 2 minutes to put together. And then the birds are on the other side here, excuse me. And so there's the little birds, and this is what your bowl screws into, and they're just real cute. And the bowl just screws in, and you really could use it without it, because I almost did, being that I wanted it to provide a little bit of support for my spinner. And then this is the stake, and they've given you a healthy amount between the bar there, so it really supports, and it's really sturdy. I saw the first one a couple days ago, and I just love it. So again, this is the metal bird bath with trellis stake outdoor. And you know, you might need to use a couple of your Amazon points with this one, but hey, that's what they're for. Enjoy your day.
Very flimsy. The pieces move. They're not really welded together well. Lots of broken pieces. The bowl isn't sturdy at all, so the birds can't actually land in it. You can't get it sturdy. And my flowers have overgrown, but the stakes at the bottom won't go all the way in. They're not lined up properly. Just like up here, you can't get them to go in perfectly.